John had just finished making the third batch of lemonade. He was going to sell it at the trade fair and was really looking forward to all the money he was going to make. He filled some of the lemonade in plastic bottles and left the rest in the big bucket that had a tap which he had gotten for his lemonade stand. He had also filled a cooler with ice cubes for those that wanted a cold drink and a jar each of honey and sugar, because who doesn't like something sweet? His younger sister had agreed to help them for a fee, and she was loading the items into the car. John was interested in profit he was going to make, so he had gotten a book to record all sales and costs too. Just like John, manufacturing companies keep accounts too. They want to know their cost of production and their profit. The cost of production is made up of the prime cost and the factory overhead. The prime cost is the cost that is directly related to the production process. The cost of raw materials, cost of labor, and other direct expenses make up the prime cost. John had gotten some lemons from his grandmother and had gotten the rest from the store for 5,000. He had spent 2,000 on the jar of honey and 1,000 on sugar, and he was paying his sister 2,000 for helping him make the juice. His prime cost was 10,000. The other costs that are not directly related to production are the factory overheads. John had paid 4,000 for his spot at the trade fair and had paid extra 1,000 for electricity at his spot, and had paid his sister 3,000 for helping him sell, making his factory overhead 8,000. He had sold 20 bottles of lemonade at 500 naira each, making 10,000. His total sales was 30,000, and after removing his prime cost of 10,000 and factory overhead of 8,000, he had made 12,000 profit. John was really happy. When life gives you lemons, make lemonade, he thought and smiled. Thanks for coming for my class. See you in my next class, guys.